So I'm dressed and I need to head out now to get something picked up, because for some weird reasons they claim they knocked, or rather they rang the bell, whatever the case is, because now I'm rambling, but they claim I did not hear it, so they left me like a note. So I had to go to the post office to pick up my stuff. That's crazy, right? Really crazy stuff. But yeah, that's what we're doing now. So I just thought to say hi to you guys. Nothing too serious. I'm keeping it cutesy. I'm keeping it demure. Very mindful. And as a side note, I just want to say thank you guys for the love so far. It's been so beautiful to see. Thank you for the support, for your constructive criticisms, for everything basically. It just means a lot, you know. I don't know, but thank you. And I mean it. I'm going to buy each and every one of you a very nice Tesla, a black Tesla to be precise. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.